Hey Harish, so I want to start off by apologizing again by voice that I was looking at the last stuff you sent me on April 22nd that didn't have the player or the items in it. I guess you were sending me a second version of stuff, and I didn't see this whole great big one. So and again, I know you've put a whole lot of work into this project. So sorry for that mix up. So let's take a look at what you sent me. Let's see, on 14 hours ago, as of this recording, which is Saturday morning. Let's see what we got. So, one comment: this position class, you should either use it or get rid of it. Okay, you don't want to have a class that's just floating out there that's not being used for anything. Again, this is just a maintenance issue that, as a programmer, you need to get into the habit of not having unused or redundant code laying around, unless it's for a particular purpose. Like if you have a specific plan for using this, then your final version should reflect that. This should be used in your final version, or, like I said, just delete it. All right, so let's go into game, new game. Oh, I had it running already, so let me just reset the virtual machine there. And let me just make sure. Okay, I'm just going to clear off this old terminal version. All right, so new game, play. Welcome to North Korea. It all came back to me when I saw the North Korea. I said, "Oh my goodness, this young man did a whole lot of work over here." So I'm going to say go south. And ding, I got a null pointer exception. So the issue here, and I took a look at this before the video, so I've already kind of tracked it down. And what I saw was in your parser, let me just redo this again. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like you had the code from the enums version, but then I don't know, you're doing some kind of work on it and modified it. So the problem here is you have a string called command word, and again, the convention in Java is that class names start with capital letters and variables and method names start with lowercase. Okay, which is not, that's not what broke things here, but just as a programmer reading this looks like the class command word that you're talking about rather than the string that you declared up here. Okay, but the problem is that then down here you're passing word 1. So in the original code, and this is the same in JavaHonorsHarishZuulv12Feedback and JavaHonorsHarishZuulv12Feedback 2. In the original code, word 1 is what we get as the first token, and then word 2 if there's a second word. Okay, so if you wanted, you could just actually just copy from here and just paste this over right here. Another thing that programmers do all the time is steal other people's code, so that's absolutely fine to do. Let's just make sure I didn't break anything. Okay, so let's see if that fixed it. New game. Alright, so now if we say Go south. Oh, I don't know what you mean. Okay. So we still have some work to do, I guess. Let's see. Process commands. What makes us say I don't know what you mean here? Oh, if it's unknown. So why would we see unknown instead of go here? Let's see. Alright, so we say... so we first get the command from the parser, right? So I'm going to just stick a debug thing in here. Okay, yeah, it looks like we're all done anyway, so I'm just going to clear that, and let's get rid of this guy. Let's just reset everything. Okay, so say new game, play. All right, so let's see what's going on here. So I'm saying get command. If I step into that, what do I get? I go to my parser. Word null, get word null. Print, and then I run next line, which is where we get the line from the terminal. So let's bring up the terminal here. Now I'm going to type in go south again, and that pops me over to here to the scanner. And what happens next is step. Okay, so my input line is go south, and that's the line that I'm scanning now. So it says yes, it has next. Word 1 is go. Word 2 is south. Okay, so let's see what happens in here when we create a new command here. So we're creating a new command with, I see, we're calling commands get command word 1 and then word 2. So let's see. Boom. Okay, so now we're calling, now we're in get command word in the command words class, and our string is go, and so we need to see if that's a valid command. And here, let's see if go is even, let's make sure go is put in. Oh, it should be go, go, go. That's why. If I'd have said go, go, go south, then we would have been okay. Alright. Alright, so maybe that's the only thing that broke. I'm going to, just for testing purposes, so I don't confuse myself, because I'm used to just typing just go. I'm going to put this and just quit. Just for me. You can leave this however you want. Compile. Alright. And let's recompile here. New game. Play. I can get rid of this. I don't need that anymore. So I can just continue. Find my terminal window. Oh, not that one. There it is. Oh, I'm having a hard time seeing it. Sometimes you have to like undo and then redo this thing. There it is. Alright, so now if I say go south, alright. Oh! So I went south, but then I'm getting this welcome to North Korea soldier thing here. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and then in the next video we'll pick up with this issue right here.